You guys are gonna love this brand new special method if you want to earn $30 to $60 every 10 minutes over and over again. You're gonna be able to withdraw and cash out all of your earnings in just 24 hours. And the best thing, after you watch today's video, you're gonna be able to immediately start earning that $30 to $60 unlimitedly in real hard cash. So if you guys want to check it, make sure you check this website out in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So I want you guys to take a look at this website before we actually move on and check it out on your own. So on this website, you're going to be able to make money by completing simple tasks and jobs online. Now, anyone can join. It's completely free, and I'm going to show you how you can sign up in a moment. So let me quickly explain how you're going to be able to earn money on this website, okay? First step, you can sign up for free on this website, and it is called gptplanet.com. That is the website. Again, no matter where you're from, you can join, whether you're from the US, the UK, Australia, Canada, India, the Philippines. No matter whatever country you're from, you can join in. Second step, after you're able to create an account, you can start making money by doing easy tasks like viewing advertisements. That's just an example. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it in the next few seconds. So make sure you don't miss out on anything, okay? You can also earn money by referring other people to the website. And after this video, I'm going to show you another cool technique in addition. A fresh hack and approach that you're going to be able to use and help you introduce new users to the website and actually earn money. So, once you've basically completed the task, this is where you're going to be able to withdraw your money. You can do it through Payeer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Wallet, PayPal, or any bank account, whatever. Now, the nice thing about this is that there is a $1 minimum cash out requirement. So, as soon as you have $1, you can cash that out right away and receive it within 24 hours. As you can see, clicking on advertisements, this is one of the best ways to make money online on this website. And this is how you can get money, just to click on something and you can earn 1 cent per click. And I'm going to demonstrate that in this video. Now, after this video, okay, I am going to be showing you more websites that you will definitely want to stay for, because it's going to be a great addition to the whole entire thing. So, again, if you do decide to do the referral thing, you are going to be earning about 100% referral commission. It's a large payout in addition to being just, passive income. Okay? Now, let's take a look at this website. Once you log into your account, you're going to be able to see the different active members from all over the world, how much they're earning on this platform. You're going to see that people are earning and cashing out, and they are very open about how much they're earning. Literally every 30 minutes, there's somebody cashing out how much they've earned, and the list is updated, it's fresh, and it's always the most recent payment proof. So it's absolutely amazing.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell, because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then.
Now, this is what makes the website unique, okay? You're going to receive small payments all the time, but in an extended period. So you're just going to click on the ads, and I'm going to show you a great way to increase your earnings. So you're going to be able to see when you enter into your account that there are a ton of companies and advertising firms that you can join in and start clicking to get paid. And by clicking on ads and videos, you're going to be able to earn real money. Now, there are a ton of businesses like Optimal Bucks, Scarlet Clicks, Neo Bucks, Paidverse, and legit PTC sites. Now, there's a lot of companies. So how do you know which one you should focus on? Which one pays the most money? Now, some people, or many people, would skip the video or not watch it to the very end because they just want to attempt it on their own, and that is a bad idea. And even if you focus on the website where you can earn the most money and ask yourself questions, how are you going to start earning right, and how can you withdraw the money? And that's what you just really have to watch. So Now that you've visited their website, you're just gonna have to see which firm is the highest paying one. And in my experience, PaidVerts is the one that's the best company ever. So you have to focus on PaidVerts since they pay you a lot more money and it is a very legit website. And second thing, you should concentrate as well on Scarlet Clicks. This website has been operating since 2009 and has paid out over $1.5 million to its customers. Now, in my opinion, this is such a great opportunity. Now, I'd like to provide a real-life demonstration using paid ads. So by clicking this link, you're going to be taken to a page with different offers that you can click on to generate some more money online. Now, they're going to show you a picture where there are a ton of these little boxes, and every single box that you click is going to open a brand new page, a brand new advertisement. So as you can see, when I point and hover my mouse over them, with every one of these mouse clicks, you can make money online. And each click, you can actually earn 1 cent. Now, that seems a little bit too small, but how can I use this platform to actually make a lot of money online? So when I hover my mouse over any of the boxes, you're going to see that there is a position where you can earn money for each one that you click. Now, I want you to really focus your attention to the number in that position down below. So let's say I hover my mouse over it right now, and I'm going to give you an example of how much money you can make by just clicking on one picture. 20 times 28, then with one click, you're going to earn 1 cent. So this is how much money you could be making in total. When you click on each of these boxes, you're going to receive $5 to complete this one offer. Now, that does seem a little bit confusing, but you just really have to pay attention and really focus. So example, I click on any of these boxes or this box, and a new browser tab on your website will be opened, right? So this is gonna then start a calculation basically to determine how many times we've clicked. And as I've showed you, once you finish clicking all of the boxes and viewing every advertisement, they're gonna pay you the whole amount in your account. So because I finished clicking all the boxes, you can make about $5. And after this, they're gonna unlock a special bonus for you. If you've completed checking all of these boxes and opened a new tab, for example, they're going to give you bonus methods to earn extra money, as you can see here. By clicking on this button, for example, you're going to be able to earn 15 cents extra and another 70 cents extra when you click on this. So every single offer has a special bonus to it, a special surprise just waiting at the end. And if I complete clicking through all of these, I'm going to receive 2 bonuses that's going to help me make extra cash. But sometimes I may receive 5, 10, or even 10 more bonuses. Now, the amount of money you make will be depending on the offers that you're able to complete. Sometimes you're going to get paid 10 cents, and other times you're going to get paid $2 or even $5 or $10. But as you complete more offers, you're going to receive more special bonuses and surprises at the end. And I do believe that anybody can accomplish this just to use their mouse, click on the boxes, view the advertisements using this website alone. This is where a lot of people are already earning great money since they do it every single day, over and over again, repeating the same thing. Now, as a bonus, I want to share this website, and it allows you to earn 100% for every referral you submit, like I've mentioned. So you can just visit gptplanet.com/forum. You're going to be able to register there for completely free. On this website, by clicking the register button, you're going to go onto this page. You're going to enter in your username, your password, your date of birth, your email, and confirmation of your password. You can also enter all of your payment accounts like your Payer account, Bitcoin, Skrill, RTM, Litecoin, or Dash. And you're going to be able to also sign up for a PayPal account and receive payments through PayPal if you want to be paid using PayPal. As soon as you've completed everything, all you have to do is click the blue register button. And I'm going to show you how you're going to take advantage of the rest of the offers for this bonus method when you have been able to register. You're then going to have access to a forum where you're going to be able to share your posts and view payment proof. You're even going to be able to share your links on this website, like in the Introduce Yourself section. And a lot of people from the US, UK, Australia, India, the Philippines, Nigeria are already doing this, and they are getting paid. They earn about 20 to 30 referrals daily, and it earns them an additional $70 to $150 in bonus cash. And like I promised, I'm going to give you a bonus tip that is going to help you make
more money online. So with the website freemouseclicker.com, you can download that and install it for free, and you can set automatic settings. You're going to be able to adjust the speed and settings based on the tutorial right here on this page. And then this is where the magic happens, because now you're going to be able to tell the auto clicker to click on the same area. For example, they want you to click on particular places on once every millisecond and so on. So you now have the option of setting this here, both once and thousands of times, because the image's position is fixed and the box will always be in the same place on the website. So the auto clicker works so well there. This is where automation may be used to your advantage. You can also perform this action on a computer or even a phone if you want them to click on it over and over again and by sequence in a certain location. You can also fix the clicker on the exact point. You can fix the click and you can do it automatically. Just do it all automatically to generate money on autopilot. It's a new method that individuals are already using on this website. While you can still use it to your advantage right now, check it out and then make sure that you use it. It's working so well right now. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.